And I know this sounds really, really like, and this is why I'm hesitant to share this sometimes, because I know there's some people going, that's the stupidest thing I ever heard. That doesn't make a bit of sense. There's nothing logical about that. I get it. And I would not spend a second on this if it didn't work. But it keeps working. I saw it just happened just the other day with my son again. Worked with me just yesterday, I noticed. So let's go through this process. This is how it works. And the thing that you need to do, the best mindset for this that you have to have, and really please pay close attention to this. If you have the mindset, come on, this has got to work and I'm going to make it work, you've put your own intention, your own need for it to happen in the way of your inner healer doing it itself. You cannot make this happen. You do not have the conscious power. Nobody does. And every healer on the planet will say, when something good happens, they will say, I just got out of the way. Whether it's with herbs, whether it's with meditation, whether it's with hands-on healing, whatever it is, we got out of the way, that's when good things happened. And that's how you have to approach this. You have to say, it may happen, it may not, it may work, it may not, I don't know, but I'm letting go. The more you can let go of the need for that headache to go away, the more likely it will go away. What? To a certain extent. But it's okay to resist in this case as well. It's interesting because when we do this, everything about this feels contrary to our whole discussion on the subconscious mind and self-talk. It really feels wrong. But we're working at a different level than we've worked with when we were doing the subconscious mind. So, what I want you to do is I want you to, on the back of a page, and I want everyone to do this. On the back of this page, I want you to find, if you can find something that's physically happening now, go with that. If you can find something if that's not there, then find something that's emotionally present for you. And I want you to write it down. I want you to write down what it is. So if it's, I'm worried about, or I'm nervous of this, or if I'm afraid to go do that thing. If it's physical, I want you to describe exactly where it is in your body. If it's physical, where's that pain, the discomfort? Maybe it's your knees, maybe it's your shoulder, maybe it's somewhere in the back of your neck. But I want you to write down something that is less than optimum functioning right now. And if you don't have either of these, if these two are both, then think about something that you seem to have a limiting belief about, like, I can't stop eating chocolate at 7 in the evening or ice cream at 10 in the evening. When I know I shouldn't be eating it, I probably ought not eat it. I have seen 20-year smokers, 3-pack-a-day smokers, stop smoking. And they'd been in therapy for years and years trying to stop smoking. And I've seen people no longer need to smoke with this. And you think, man, if there's anything that's difficult to do, it's stop smoking. But
Can you use with a phone? Or is that like...
No, you just have to sleep. But it could be energy. I mean, you could. I mean, you very well could.
I just don't have
Yeah. No, I understand. No, but if you're feeling lethargic and lacking energy, that is the result of. My thinking is try it on anything.
If you have more than one spot that's painful or whatever, you just choose one.
I would choose one for now.
What if it's bilateral? You still want to focus on one side?
Doesn't try it, experiment,
If it's
see what happens.
two knees at the same time?
Yeah, you could.